I found one very interesting signal provider. Why interesting? Because it's generating consistent huge profit with the low drawdown. The problem of the signal that it's generating lots of the trades every day. So if you want to copy it in the proper way, we need to have a forex broker company with the tightest spreads and also lowest commission. So that's why I decided to make my own research and to find out what is the best forex broker company in terms of the trading condition, who can offer for us the lowest spreads with the lowest commission. So if you want to know who is that, watch this video until the end and let's start. So the signal provider what I was talking about, calling Hydrogen Investor, he has two profiles, two signals, one of them with initial deposit of $5,000 and another one with initial deposit of $50,000. Beauty of the signal that he's super profitable. As you can see, exactly this year in the smaller account he already generate 338% of the profit, and in the bigger account he already generate 500%. As you can see, some of the months he was making almost 50% of the profit. Imagine. Also, what I like in the signal, the low drawdown. Bigger account has drawdown just 12.8% and the smaller one has just 11.3%. He's trading just with the dollar yen, as you can see, but he's making lots of the trades every day. So if we're going for trades per week, 281 trades per week, and with the statistic, if we'll check whole trades for almost 1 year, it's 15,000 trades on the smaller account, and plus if we're going to the trading history for bigger account, we can see 22,000 trades in 1 year. Imagine. And plus he put in the description, very important point, if you want to copy, consider the spread and commission of your account. The account should not has any slippage and spread that will be higher 6 or 8 points. What does it mean? So we should find the account where the spread plus commission should be not higher than from $6 to $8. And this is what we will do in our video. We will find who's the best regarding spreads and commission and who's providing the most favorable commissions for the trading. So let's start. How to check the spreads of the forex broker company. First of all, you can visit their website and I will show you a few examples. Everywhere they are selling the same. You see spread starting from 0.0, trade with 0 spread, and the raw spread. And it's almost everywhere. You see the same. Spreads start from 0.0. Let's go there. Again, we have razor spreads, everything from 0, and here almost is the same. So this is not professional way at all. More advanced traders, they know that they can go to the trading terminal, market watch, and to check the spreads here. But for example, let's watch for some period of time on the dollar yen. As you can see, it's floating, so it's changing every time. Sometimes it's 0, sometimes it's 3, but sometimes it's 4. In our case, it's very sensitive point, so we need to find out, some history of the spread. What was the highest spread during some period of time? What was the lowest spread? And this is the reason why we create our own tool that calls Real Spread Monitor. Before creating our own tool, I check all the products related to the spread checking in the market section on MKL5 website. Of course, I was thinking maybe I will find something ready and it will save my time and I will be able to take this tool and check it, what is the spread. But what I found that there is just option to check the spread in the live period of time. There is no option to record the spreads. Maybe I want to see the detailed analysis of the spreads for 1 week, for 1 month, for 3 months. That's why we decided to create our own tool that calling a Real Spread Monitor. This is very unique product as I wasn't able to find it, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, to Telegram channel, because after some period of time we will post it in MKL5 market and maybe even we'll have option to get it for free. So don't forget to stay tuned with all the news. So let's talk about research. First of all, what is our target? To find the forex broker company that will provide for us conditions where the spread plus commission will be lower than $8. Don't forget that every broker company usually has two types of accounts. One of them is standard, where they're charging just spread, and the second one, this is the spread plus commission. So sometimes we will be able to see, okay, the spread is just $3 average, but don't forget they are charging $7 per lot. Totally it will be 10. So it will not work for our signal provider. Also, for this kind of experiment, I choose one account, standard one, with the fixed spread, where broker company is mentioning that spread is not changing at all. And the second one, it's standard account, but floating spread. I was also thinking maybe it will show us better. So let's go closer to the indicator and I will show you all the results. Of course, I paid the attention for the dollar, yen, but I decide, okay, I want to check more options. I check euro dollar, pound dollar, gold, US30, and the Bitcoin. In the right corner, you will see different kind of criteria. So we can see max average mean. It means maximum average and minimum spread in the moment. It means like spread maybe was 0, but during the news it's jumped a lot, and it's fixed spread what was the maximum and what was the lowest spread. Then of course this is not smart comparison. Why? Because for example in the fusion market, maximum spread in one moment was $129, but the minimum was 0. But this situation happened during the rollover at night, and the signal provider is not trading during this period of time, so it will not make impact on our results at all. That's why I decide to build average spread, average maximum and minimum for some period of time. What we'll consider as our main criteria, this is the average spread. This is the average spread between the minimum and the maximum. So let's go for the results. So we are checking dollar yen, first broker company. This is the AVA Trade. I choose, by the way, 5 Forex broker companies. AVA Trade, fixed standard account. Fusion markets, they are like raw account. IC markets, of course, because it's one of the most popular Forex broker company. Paperstone, Razor account, and also Star Trader standard account, but with the floating spread. So let's go for the results. Dollar yen on AVA Trade average, it like they are mentioning the spread is like $13, but it's still floating, you know. So the spread average was $13.68, which is not working for us at all. Then we're going for the fusion market. Fusion markets average spread was $3.25. Of course, lower spread on the lower end during whole week was just $1.68, but we should calculate the bad scenario. With the worst scenario for us, the average spread was $3.25. Plus they are charging commission $4.5 per lot, that we are almost reaching this level 8. So the fusion market is working for us. Then we are going for the IC market. IC markets, by the way, had a little bit higher spreads. The average spread was $3.41. Lower spread was $1.40, but IC markets charging $7. So even with the spread $1.40 plus $7, it's already higher than 8, which is not working for us at all. When we're going for the Paperstone, average spread was $3.96, the highest one, and the Star Trader standard account $13.94, which is not working at all. So for this signal provider, I can tell you already, like the result of our experiment, just one Forex broker company might work. This is the fusion markets. By the way, I will leave the link for the registration opening account in the description to this video. Try it. This is like fresh broker company, but their main selling point that they are coming to the market with the lowest charges, and they impressed me a lot, by the way, but not for the everything. So stay tuned till the end. Let's go for the euro dollar. So for the euro dollar, all broker companies mentioning we are 000. Our trade $9, but you see it's almost every time is the same. So maximum, average, and minimum 9. So it means they every time holding this $9 spread. Fusion market average 0.53, so it's less than $1 for one lot, you know, and maximum spread was just $1, 1.1. IC markets a little bit higher, 0.57, still like a fusion in the higher place, but don't forget that they are charging $4.5 instead of 7 as IC markets doing. Paperstone is higher, 0.79 in the third place between these three, and the Star Trader standard account, it's like pretty high. It's already like $12.63. That's why I'm telling you every time, guys, start trading with the commission account. Some people hate to trade with the commission account, but this is how it should be, you know. Example here, average spread 12.63. You know, if we will take, for example, Paperstone, as it higher from these three, 0.79 plus $7, it will be lower than standard account. So don't be like fooled from some people what they are selling, you know, standard account, it's better instead of paying commission. Let's go for the pound. For the pound situation, a little bit different. Again, our trade fixed spreads, it's almost $15. Then Fusion Markets average 2.73, which is wow. Again, it's better than IC Market because IC Market average 3.39. Then Paperstone average will be 4.63, and the Star Trader in this kind of situation even higher than our trade, 16.59. Then we're going for the gold. A lot of the people in UAE, they love to trade gold, so they will watch this video just because of the gold. Our trade $27 during the week. It's like pretty huge. Fusion Markets give for the gold 8.67. IC Market even better, 6.69. But again, the difference just $2, but we have a commission lower, you know, so our commission 4.5 instead of 7. So again, IC Market slightly, but still better. Then we are going for the Paperstone. Paperstone gold is pretty high, it's $15 per lot, and the Star Trader in this current situation is better, you know, is better than the Paperstone, because Paperstone will add $7 commission and Paperstone will charge $17, like a Star Trader will charge you $17 per lot without the commission. Let's go for the Bitcoin. Bitcoin, it's even more interesting for me because lots of the people, they like to trade the Bitcoins, and you know that conditions in the Forex broker company for the Bitcoins, it's not the best. So our trade charging $67 per lot average. If we're going for the Fusion Market, like we can feel it, just $24. But if we're going to the IC Market charging for the Bitcoin just $15 spread. Paperstone charging $20, and if you're going for the Star Trader charging $38 per lot. So if we're talking about Bitcoin and overall all instruments, first place, who's the winner in this kind of competition? This is the Fusion Market because it has the lowest spread, sometimes spread a little bit higher than offering for us IC Market, but don't forget that they have the lowest commission in the market. I want to offer you the best conditions in the market. You need to trade with the best condition, and it will help you to generate your profit, to maximize your profit. So I will leave the link in the description to this video. Highly recommend you open an account, try, and you will be impressed not just by trading condition but also with variety of instruments. Try this broker company, put the details in the comment section, and see you guys in our next video.